Molybdenum square plate is mainly made through isostatic pressing, sintering, hot rolling, annealing, cold rolling, and shearing. It has a series of excellent properties of molybdenum, such as high melting point, high strength, long service life, wear resistance, resistant to high temperature ablation, high processing performance, high density, good thermal conductivity, smooth surface without cracks, uniform and stable internal structure, good welding performance, strong radiation absorption ability, etc. Molybdenum square plate is widely used to produce reflective screens and cover plates in sapphire crystal growth furnaces, reflective screens, heating belts, and connectors in vacuum furnaces, sputtering targets for plasma coating, and high-temperature resistant molybdenum boat parts. Heat-resistant equipment, sputtering equipment, and high-temperature furnaces and other equipment.